This sheet mask makes me look like I just had a facelift surgery done and I have bandage all over my face, guys. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oreoluwa. So I just got this from Style Korea. It is the Numbuzin facelifting set with skin firmness activator. Ooh, so nice. This is what the box looks like. It's so cute. It has a card. It says facelift secret reveal. Oh, this is basically how you are going to use the set. So guys, this is the No.9 NAD plus bow lifting seal essence. This is what it looks like. And this is the face mask I'll be trying out today. So in the pack it has 4 sheets plus 1 sheet lifting band. Let's go ahead and see what that is. So we have 4 pieces right here, and each one of them is divided into 2. This is the first one, this is the second one. So it is divided into 2 parts, and it also has an extra sheet, 1 sheet gift. I don't know what this is, so let's go ahead and try out the face mask and the essence. This essence helps with firmness, while this mask helps with lifting. I'll be applying this first. Ooh, look at the texture, so nice. I love the feel on my skin. Go ahead and apply the mask right now. This is my face after applying the essence on it. Ooh. This mask is the perfect fit for my face. It has so much essence inside, so I'm just going to scoop it and apply it on my neck and my body too. Just look at it. So this is the second part. So it goes to your ears. Oh, so much essence. This is meant to go over your head. This is the lifting band. It basically helps to achieve that lifting effect on your face. This just stick right on your face. Just look at it. It's not coming off. And I think you can reuse it. I'm not sure, but that's the only one that is available for the 4 pieces. So I think you can reuse it for the remaining 3 pieces. And I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to take it off after. What I like about this mask is that it has so much essence in it. Just look at it. Oh. So guys, it is time to take the mask off. It's over 20 minutes. I lost track of time. So let's go ahead and take it off. Okay. This is stretchy. So I'm going to use it again for the remaining sheet marks. Oh gosh, this hurts my ears so much. There is still some essence in it. Feels nice though. This is what my face looks like once I took off the mask. I'm not sure if it got the job done by lifting my face, but this is the first time I'm trying it. So I'm just going to use the remaining 3. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Bye.